So welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be actually considering the result analysis of one company that actually announced results for Q4 of Fy22. The company name is HG Infra Engineering Limited. So the company closed on 570 levels on 3rd June. So its market cap is 3718 crores. And its high and low price is 831 and 358. Its price and multiple is around 10. It's 9.78. Book value is 220. Dividend yield is 0.14%. Return on capital 28%. Return on equity 30%. Face value is 10. So HG Infra Engineering is an Indian road and infrastructure company engaged in the business of engineering, procurement and construction, EPC services, maintenance of roads, bridges, flyovers and other construction related works. The company is majorly engaged in the road construction activities through the EPC project business with a selective focus on hybrid annuity model HAM projects. The company is pre-qualified to independently bid for large EPC projects and HAM projects. So its clients include mainly government bodies like National Highway Authority of India, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, and private road developers like IRB infrastructure developers, Tata Projects, Adani Road Infrastructure, etc. Government sector comprises the 84% of their order book, and the private sector actually contributes around 16% of their order book. And as per their earnings call, the total order inflow in the terms of EPC value stood at 4,328 crores in the last financial year, that is FY22. And regarding their order book in FY, their actually order book was around 6,843 crores as on September 2021, comprising 4,075 crores of EPC projects and 2,768 crores of HAM projects, hybrid annuity model projects. As per their FY22 earnings call, they actually aim to achieve a revenue of 5,000 crores while maintaining 15 to 16% EBITDA margin for the next financial year. And their key focus in the next year should be to win selective projects that will complement the order book and ensure efficiency. And their goal is to achieve 9,000 crores to 10,000 crores of order inflow by FY23, that is next 1 year. So that is mentioned in their earnings call for FY22. And regarding the growing presence, they actually are headquartered in Jaipur, Rajasthan, and their project experience in more than 8 states. And their total order book comprises as on September 21, they actually 25%, 27% is from Rajasthan, 26% is from Telangana, 18% from Delhi, 11% Andhra, 8% Haryana and UP, and 2% Maharashtra. They have completed around 36 projects by FY21, that is Balator to Sandra Jalbor EPC basis worth 113 crores, Amravati project directly worth around 537 crores, Nagpur, Katol, Varud on EPC basis Maharashtra worth around 314 crores, like that. And they have ongoing projects that include construction Harwari bypass in Haryana, that is worth around 432 crores, and construction 8-lane carriageway in Delhi, Vadodara Greenfield alignment worth 3135 crores, and EPC modern NHAI, like that. And they also got into some new projects in September 2020. Last year, they actually got a PWD project in Rajasthan worth 448 crores, and they also got 2 hybrid annuity model projects in Odisha worth around 2,615 crores, and they actually ordered 1,060 crore water in Andhra Pradesh, and they also for a road work, and also got a 1393 crore worth EPC order in Delhi, and they actually got 2 orders, 1,000 HAM orders worth 1409 crores in Telangana. The focus on the company will be to focus on EPC projects and timely execution with strong discipline in the order selection. They will opt for selective hybrid annuity model project with the goal of maintaining healthy IRR and continue to explore opportunities, monetize and project and free up equity. It also plans to de-risk the business by expanding into sectors like railway, water, infra, and airports, like that. And the company recently announced results for Q4 of Fy22. The results were very good. They posted a total income of 10228.59 crores as compared to 924.85 crores in the previous quarter, and 1035.56 crores in the previous year. And the profit before tax is 121.64 crores as compared to 120 crores in the previous quarter and 132 crores in the previous year. And the net profit is around 91.10 crores as compared to 88.89 crores in the previous quarter and 97.6 crores in the previous year. If you see the full year result, they have posted a total income of 3623 crores as compared to 2542 crores, and the profit before tax is 454 crores as compared to around 282 crores, and the profit after tax is 338 crores as compared to 210 crores. So there is a good over 130 crores increase, around 130 crores increase in profit after tax, and around a good around 1000 more than around 1000 crore increase in revenue for this company in FY22 as compared to FY21. So the EPS has improved from around EPS improved from around 32.37 FY21 to around 51.98. So the stock is just trading at around 10 times FY22 EPS. So the reserves are increased to around 1299 crores from around 967 crores, and the equity capital is 65 crores. So if you see the full performance revenue growth over the years, sales has improved from 2014 crores in 2019 to 2217 crores in 2020 to 2602 crores in 2021 to the current level of 3751 crores. The operating profit has improved from 305 crores to 710 crores, and last year it was 477 crores. Net profit is increased 127 crores to 380 crores. Last year it was 237 crores. So the company is actually making a steady growth in revenues and profit over the years, and they are also increasing the order book also. And regarding the share price movement, the company stock price was actually had a good run in the last 3 years. It was trading at just around 200 levels in 2019. It was trading at around 279 levels in January 2020, and it was trading at around 409 level July, and it made an all-time high of around 780 in November 2021. Then it had a good correction. Now it is trading at around 580 levels. So from the 200 levels already risen over 100% in the last 3 years. So it looks based on the increased revenue visibility and the order book that is likely to achieve, it is likely to increase revenues in future also. And I'm expecting this company to post over 4,000 as per the management guidance. They are actually expected to post over 4,300, 4,500 revenues in the next FY23, and maybe 5,000 crore revenue is possible in the next FY24. And I'm actually expecting EPS of around 65 to 70 is possible in the next 2 years, and a profit of around 450 to 500 crores possible in the next 2 years. And regarding their, so based on that, the stock is like, if that happens and the stock gets the present price and multiple, we can actually expect a price target of around 700 750 levels in HG Infra Engineering. And regarding the balance sheet, the share capital is 65 crores and the reserves have increased to 1371 crores from around 598 crores in 2019. The borrowings also have increased from 380 crores to 1184 crores. The borrowings are, if they can be reduced, it will be good for the company, but they are around 200 crore lower than the reserves. So that is, I hope once the revenue increase and the balance sheet, they may actually have steps to reduce the balance sheet also. And the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 74.53 and the FA's holding is 0.74%, and the mutual fund holding is 14.07 is also positive. Altogether, I am actually very optimistic on this company. I am actually expecting higher targets of around 7 to 750 in this company in the next 2 to 3 years based on the increased revenue goals. In risk averse investor can keep a stop loss, but I am actually very bullish on this company for long term.